if for a GP its pth term is q, pth term, qth term and rth term are a, b and c respectively. So we can write down here, that is pth term is a, qth term is b and rth term is c. Prove that a to the power q minus r into b to the power r minus b into c to the power p minus q is equal to 1. Okay, so what we have to do is, first thing that we have to do is, we have to assume an AP, right, whose first term is A and the common ratio is R. After that we have to write at whatever they have given in it. So let the first term of a GP, sorry, I have been using the term AP here, it's not AP, it's GP. So here let the first term be capital A here. Why capital A? Because we have already got the small a here, right, as a first pth term of a GP. So that's the reason we cannot take small a here, and we have taken the common ratios capital R here because small r has been used. So you have to be careful about taking it in future. Now, so pth term they have given you, this pth term is A. So I took pth term as A. But how do we write the pth term? Pth term is A r to the power p minus 1. Same way qth term is B. This is B. So I wrote A r minus r into, sorry, A r cube to the power q minus 1 as B. And similar way rth term, which is C. So rth term will be A r to the power small r minus 1, which is C. Okay. Now what do we have to prove? We have to prove this. So I will write it here. I'll write here A to the power q minus r times B to the power r minus p times C to the power small here to the power p minus q. This is what we have to prove as equal to 1 here, right? So what I'll do is, what is A? A is this one. So I'll write here. Remember, this is A to the power this one, B to the power this one, C to the power this one. So I'll write A. So I'll write A. What is A? A is capital A, capital R to the power p minus 1, and the whole power is what? Whole power is q minus r. So I will write q minus r. Why we wrote inside the bracket is A, so inside the bracket I will write this one because this is equal to A, and a power of this A is this much. I wrote power this one. Similar way the other ones, that is A to the power, so A r to the power q minus 1, and the whole power is what? R minus p. So right here R minus p. Same way C is what? A r to the power small r minus 1, and this has a whole power how much? C has a whole power p minus q, right here p minus q. So these powers you put it in bracket because they are not alone. Now what do we have to do? According to law of indices, what do we do? So we'll write here, this power is for both of them, so A will have a power q minus r, and R will also have a power. R already has a power p minus 1, so it all has a power q minus r. So remember, a to the power m, the whole power n is a to the power m into n, so multiply it. It will be q minus r. Same way, a to the power r minus p and r to the power q minus 1 times r minus p. Same way, a to the power p minus q and r to the power r minus 1 the whole power p minus q. Okay, now I have to expand it here, so I'll do it here. Now a to the power, I can write one more step here. This is a to the power q minus r times again a to the power r minus p, and again a to the power p minus q. I'm putting a together. Same way, r to the power, okay, multiply it here. P minus 1 into q minus r is what? Just multiply. P minus 1 into q minus r. P into q, pq. P into r, pr. Q into minus 1, q. Okay. And r into minus 1, minus plus r here. So I can write it directly. How much will that be? pq minus pr minus q plus r here. Same way I have to do for the other one, this r also. We multiply this r, now we'll multiply for this r. So this power will be, this is q minus 1 into r minus p. So I will do that here. Fine. So if I do it, what is that? We have got q minus 1 into r minus p. So I can do it here also directly. It will be q into r, right? Now q into p minus r and plus p. Okay, same way, r to the power here r into p minus r cube, right, minus p and plus q. Now after that, okay, let's see, they are all bases, same power should be added. So a to the power q minus r plus r minus p plus p minus q. Okay, here also the power has to be added, so it will be pq minus qr, pq minus qr, no, we made a mistake, I guess. It's pr, right? Okay, p into q, p into r is pr. Okay, pq minus pr and minus q and plus r. Now this has to be added to this one, whole thing plus. Since it is a plus, we know the sign will not change. I'm writing it directly here. So plus qr minus qp minus r and plus p. Same way, plus rp minus rq minus p and plus q. Okay, now here also we can add them up because it's being added here. I can remove the bracket. Once I remove the bracket, what will that be? Here everything will remain the same because there's a plus between the same. Q and minus q will get cancelled. Minus r plus minus p, it will become a to the power 0 here. pq, here is also pq, somewhere you will find pq here, right? Plus and minus got cancelled. I'm doing it with the red color so that you can see that proper. Fine. Now pr and rp cancel, minus q minus q and plus q get cancelled, plus r and minus r got cancelled, plus qr and minus qr here, right? Plus qr and minus qr, right? Got cancelled. Fine. Now what is left? Plus p and minus p got cancelled. So here r is also to the power 0, right? So we can write here r to the power 0 here. Fine. So what do we get? A to the power 0 is 1 and r to the power 0 is 1, so that is equal to 1. So we have proved it here, hence we can say hence proved here. Alright.